Okay, today we're going to learn how to take square roots by hand. This symbol right here is known as a square root sign or radical sign. It is asking us what number times itself equals the number inside of the square root sign or the radical sign.
Alright, for example, the square root of 25. What number times itself equals 25? The answer would be 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So the square root of 25 would just equal 5. Let's do another example. Let's do the square root of 49. Now what number times itself would give you 49? Well, the answer equals 7. 7 times 7 equals 49. So in other words, the square root of 49 would just be 7. So 25 equals 5 squared, and 49 equals 7 squared. So therefore, 25 and 49 are both perfect squares.
When the number inside the square root is not a perfect square, you use a factor tree. Here we are asked to find the square root of 54. So let's start a factor tree. To do a factor tree, you want all the factors to be prime numbers. So what number times another number equals 54? So first we could start off with 2 and 27. That can go down now into 3 and 9, and that can go down into 3 and 3. So once we have factored this number into all prime numbers, we proceed to pair like terms. The only like terms we can pair here are 2 of the 3's. Whatever you pair goes on the outside, so in this case, the 3 goes on the outside of the square root. Since the 2 and the 3 can't pair up, they're left on the inside. And so you're left with 2 times 3, or in other words, you can just say 3 times the square root of 6.
Alright, let's try another example. Let's find the square root of 160. So let's think of a prime number that can be multiplied by another number to get 160. So we can start with 2 times 80. 2 times 80 equals 160. Since 2 is a prime number, now we go to 80. 2 times 40 equals 80. 2 times 20 equals 40. 2 times 10 equals 20. 2 times 5 equals 10. So now you will pair like terms. These two can be paired. These two can be paired. But the 2 and the 5 cannot be paired. So we take 1, 2, and then another 2 outside the square root, and we're left with 2 and 5 on the inside. Or in other words, this would be equal to 4 times the square root of 10.
Alright, thanks for watching. Just remember, keep taking your radicals. Stay rad.